Desperated. And I take on myself and I find myself in peace inside. Left ears. You see what I say? Yeah. And you probably feel like me I talk loud and the loud me I talk, the house just empty, so it's an echo. Top of the fuckery. You know, I just find myself in peace and peace inside myself. You understand? Yes. See it? Hold on, get up. I worry about man box, but none of I worry about oh Joshua put on big treat in our community today. You see it? So me I tell you, nah here. Nah here. Where me been? Peoples, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say about Slip Boss. You know, see Ramesh, now make it to MTV red carpet. We not see that. When the people them pass shade room said, so who is Ramesh? She said she don't know. A London panicha. She said, I can't wait to go home so London can jog off this beat. So I see this guy, Ramesh Entertainment. Who's that? Mr. Sensia. Mr. Red carpet, big old red carpet, deny the man. As the man say, London on the track. So I them something that me talk about. I'm not condoning violence. I don't like violence. I'm not a violence person. Yes, I don't like violence. I don't condone violence. I'm not a violent person. See, Uno. Go for the tape measure. Go for tape measure someone a girl frowns the tongue on her brush. Get up every day along out to turn past Snapchat and the white like blood clot chap.
Be a filter.
Be a filter.
Okay.
Talk about that. All your pussy a filter. You not talk about that, but you know I run go for blood clot tape measure. You understand? Right. Run go for blood clot filter for measure someone a girl pussy tongue. You know make man a pull you all over a blood clot place. What do you measure on a pussy tongue? You know ramp with me, you know? You know ramp with blood clot, you know? Because someone a man a pull the pussy long over there, so they skip with you, know? So you know, come and come on, come on, pass your place, come talk about. Skip rope. Don't ramp with me. Because someone a girl a be here too. You know all these things for a man. I don't know if you can clear some money. Imagine me come off a road and me say, babes, calculate this and calculate that and see where you get from this and see where you get from that. You can't do that. Boy, you want to come tell me about this and tell me about that. Here, me don't put up no X. I want to scale this blood clot co-worker what me used to have. Me glad to me an artist again. Me glad to me an comedian again. Me an artist now. Full-time artist, you're my ex-co-worker. Don't put up that. Yes. All you, me see a tie wood power wood able. I walk with wood and ground power road. Jesus Christ, I tell me something, slap me something, I have to deal with. Run me alone, I want to go on whatever. I pull this, I pull on the wood all over the place. Listen to this. Listen to this. My girl, you know, so me I look a pussy for you. You know, so you can't get the pussy. But me have a tape measure. Yeah, man. I'm on before tape measure for tape measure now. Come here, tape measure your pussy tongue. Two. And your pussy, see your pussy, yeah? And if your tape measure come here, so to your side, a big pussy that thing. You see, if you take me just come from yourself to yourself a tight hole that. If you take me just come to yourself a neat like that. Some man no get have this, you know. This is yourself who no have, you know. This is who no have, you know. Who no want this and who no get this, who no not feel it. You know why who no not feel that? Your all is discriminate. Where word name? Discriminate.
Dislocate.
Dislocate. Listen. Listen. This is a hole I will get good big like this. You're still a ball. Say I want more be good. It's not the man. Fall. Me can't pull on my pants. How when you look, you see a 9.5 inch. How you take off your jaws, your pussy tongue longer than mine. Me can't do that. A class to class. Hey! Them a new girl and the one here a style anyway, no jiggy. Them a, watch him. And then as she sit down, and she tell the new man, your problem. And then the new man say in the street, and look for your son type away. I cuss off a torn up blood clot, you see your new man. I put your new man in the dirt, and throw blood clot dirt down and bury torn one like, listen to it. Come cool the blood clot with it. I'm easy malice people and malice I want. As a ramp with my malice here.
Alright?
You can't tell me that. Bro, you can't ask what you want, you know. And me can't ask what you want, you know. Some man want this and some man want that. If you ask what you want, you get it. You can't come tell me nothing. Some man, when time them and them woman left, them say, take everything and go on. Some man say, put on every blood clot thing on me buy. And me one of them and they. Okay, now I'm not going to give you no blood clot. No, $8 jars. And you pack up your whole like $8 jars and go with it. If you have 100 $8 jars, you know how much jars that? If me buy you $100 worth, $8 what I will not count jars. And you tell me you know how much money that? Fear me, I tell you now. Happy to see this. Back to life. And you know African. You are a nasty man. I'm tired, I tell you. African, I want a man them when I go over there and give girl lyrics. African, I want a man them go over there and shoot 5 bills in a girl hand. And then the girl want to know. So the girl go fly in the African DM now and say, why you give me this 500? African, I say, nothing because me like you and rare. You know, go to the girl first and make your girl know. So you know, say me like you. And me give you 2 chatting in your ears. Him go over there and shoot 5 bills in a girl and no, we come back, the girl and run him down. You're unfair. You're incomplete. You shouldn't do that. And so you look woman. Just like that. Hey, enough of them rich boy, you know, claim so they have the money. They not give girl no lyrics, no. They are going to set up woman buy one girl, one car. And then them and their friend cock up in a one. They now buy their friend car, you know. But then we go buy a girl a car just to get it pussy. Can we see African do enough time? Buy a girl a car and never go in it. After me not cloud. No! Me if you take up my good thieving money. Anytime me I give a girl a money, you know what me think about? When me I go through that window and police could have shoot me. Or the owner for the house can catch me in the house and shoot me. So don't me know if you take up my money, say, me I go give woman to buy a car or anything. No, me can't do that yet. I don't answer, me not do it. Me can't do it yet. And they think they bring trouble in a camp. And they think they mash up friendship. Where your friend them, they are suffer with you all long. How you take up everything you ever give woman. Bust 2 lyrics to the girl them. If your pum pum fat, just shake it up. If your pum pum stink, don't break it up, girl, babe. beard. Use rule and two pairs. If your pum pum fat, shake it up. Pum pum stink, don't break it up, girl. Beard. Beard. Yeah. My friend don't suffer though. African. Go on, man.
Come again.
Sure. I'm a little friend, you know, because I keep on party over here last week, you know. I'm here South African got jail along out in Tongue Water, girl. I live it. Yeah. Times like these, let me tell you this. The whole of Jamaica for runway and left the blood clot prime minister them alone down there. Left them alone for drive on the blood clot road them where they now fix.